Hey guys, this is a Honda Civic 1999. Motor blew a couple days ago. I don't know if you guys see it right down here. There's a hole right there.
Right here.
In the block. And well, I'm buying a new engine. Well, it's used. It's a used engine. I'm buying it tonight. And a little steering wheel I put on. No, nothing too fancy yet.
Upgraded the shifter on it.
Yeah, I put a short shifter in it, so it shifts a lot shorter. Yeah, just welcome to the Honda build. Eventually, I'm gonna repaint this. Later on, eventually I'm gonna get a turbo for it, and air coolant in it. Nothing too big, you know. But so far, I took off the cruise control that was right here. More room, sitting right here. Now, and up there's a wire that leads to this hole right here. Just cut that wire like we did. If you got a better way, you can do it your way. We unhooked most of the wires, most of the hoses on here. Now, what we're working on is this part right here. We gotta figure out how to get this off, and we'll call it good. And then all this is gonna get deleted for more power.
Use the part right here if you want.
So far, I see 1, 2, 3 engine part, and